Thank you, everyone. I was told that the Honorable CM will be sharp on time, and he was sharp on time. A loud round of applause. You know, so I'm reminded of the time when my late brother-in-law Himanshu Roy was posted in then Ahmednagar, today's Ahilya Nagar, and all of us, we'd gone for his birthday, which was today, June 23rd. And those many years ago, the rains in Nagar had been delayed quite a lot. The day we landed out there, 23rd morning, it rained. And today, 23rd June again, after so long, it rained once again. Didi, if you remember, that was a very special day then. And it's a very special day for our family today as well, because the Honorable CM has graced this function in where we are celebrating the love of our life, Himanshu Roy. Thank you so much, sir. It's a very special day for us. You're like Meghdut, as Kalidas had said. We are also honored to have Mangal Prabhat Lodha ji, Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of Maharashtra. Ashish Shelar ji, Minister for Cultural Affairs, Electronics, Information and AI. Ashish Jaiswal ji, Minister of State for Labor, Finance Planning, Agriculture, Relief, Rehabilitation, Law and Judiciary. And we are honored to have senior politicians, top actors, top bureaucrats, all of you gracing this function. And we know that you haven't come here because Bhavna Didi or Anish Da or Ashish or I invited you. You came here because of your love for Himanshu Da. Thank you so much. Thank you for this love for the Roy Tripathi family. Before we begin the main function, if I may request Bhavna Roy, Bhavna Didi, founder and director of the Himanshu Roy Foundation, to felicitate the Honorable CM Fadnavis ji. And if I may request my elder brother Anish Dada and my twin brother Ashish to felicitate Mangal Prabhat ji, Ashish ji and Ashish ji. There's a triple A on stage, triple Ashish. Ashish, just stand there. Huh? And sir, if I may request once again your indulgence, Honorable CM sir, if you could stand and we could have the Deep Prajulam, lighting of the lamp, including with the Honorable Ministers and Bhavna Didi. And while the Deep Prajulan is happening, Amaya Nayak, Isha Gaur and the Inner Naad Bhajan Clubbing Band will play the Ganesh Vandana. The mic.
सुख करता दुख रत्न खचित भरा तुझ गौरी कुमरा हो तुझ गौरी कुमरा चंदनाची ओटी कुमकुम केशरा हिरे सडता मुकुट शोभा तो भरा ऋण झुणती नूपुरे ऋण झुणती नूपुर चरणी घागरिया जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री मंगल मूर्ति
Thank you. Thank you. I'd like to invite Srimati Bhavna Roy, founder and director of the Himanshu Roy Foundation, to say a few words.
श्री देवेंद्र जी फडणवीस, श्रीमती स्मृति जी ईरानी, श्री अनुराग जी ठाकुर, श्री मंगल प्रभात जी लोढ़ा, श्री आशीष जी शेलार, श्री आशीष जी जायसवाल, श्री जयंत जी पाटिल, श्री कृपाशंकर जी, श्री मिलिंद जी नरवेकर, श्री रवि कृष्ण जी, श्री संजय जी निरुपम, श्री विनय जी सहस्रबुद्धे, श्री सत्यपाल जी सिंह, श्री सुनील जी द्विवेदी, श्री चंद्रमौली जी उपाध्याय, श्री अनुपम जी खेर, श्रीमती शाइना जी NC, श्री रावी जी दुबे. Respected government servants, doctors, lawyers, artists, authors, builders and creators, and friends of Himanshu. बहुत सालों पहले जब हिमांशु को खोया और फिर से जब होश संभाला तो एक सपना देखा था. उस सपने को साकार करने में आप सबका सहयोग, आपकी शुभकामनाएं, आपका हौसला, आपकी दुआएं और आपका आशीर्वाद मिला. अनेक अनेक आभार. I hand over to Amish now.
Thank you, Didi. Himanshu Roy was actually my brother-in-law, but it tells you he was the husband of our elder sister, the eldest in the family. But it tells you something about what kind of relationship we had with him. That my elder brother, Anishta, my twin brother, Ashish, we didn't call Himanshu Jijaji, we called him Dada, which is what even in Eastern UP we call our elder brother. That was the kind of relationship we had with him. That was the kind of man he was. Here's a short video on the man Himanshu Roy and the foundation that carries forward his legacy, the Himanshu Roy Foundation. Ask anyone who knew Himanshu Roy and you'll hear the same two words, strong yet gentle. A man the whole city knew by sight and almost no one knew completely. For 3 decades, he was one of the most recognized police officers in the country. He took on the cases others hoped would land on someone else's desk. But he measured himself differently, not by the cases he closed, but by how he treated the constable standing behind him and the citizen who sat before him. And when the uniform came off, there was the other half of him the city rarely saw. A man lost in a raga who believed that protecting a city and protecting the things that make it worth living in were the same work. And then came the one fight that did not answer to discipline.
cancer. He met it with the same steadiness that had defined his whole life. In 2018, after a long and difficult fight, it came to an end. A loss like that can close a family in on itself. This one did the opposite. From it emerged the Himanshu Roy Cancer Test, a first in the world early detection cancer test that can revolutionize cancer treatment. And from this grief also emerged the Himanshu Roy Foundation, built not to mourn a man, but to continue him. It stands on the three worlds that shaped his life: those who keep us safe, those who heal, and those who keep our music alive. And each year, the Himanshu Roy Legacy Awards honor such special people. Some men are remembered with flowers. He is remembered in footsteps. This is where his story continues.
Through this award, we will recognize achievers, contributors, quiet contributors in India in three areas. As was said in the video, national security, music, and medicine. A credible award needs a credible jury. Very obviously, I'm sure all of you have heard of the Sanskrit word Swayamvar. Swayam, and you can see it in the word itself. Swayam means self. Var is often translated to mean groom. But Sanskrit is a very deep language. There's a logic to every word. The dhatu of the Sanskrit word var is actually vru. It means to choose. So the bride is the chooser, and the var is the person who has been chosen. If you want to make a good choice, you need very wise choosers. I'm not saying our jury were brides, but they were among the best choosers that we could bring together to put a really credible award where no one can have any doubts on the quality of the person being recognized. We'd like to introduce the jury to you, and I'll say a little bit about them. Firstly, Javed Ahmad Saab. He's a former IPS officer whose career spans senior law and order, intelligence, and international diplomacy roles. He's also served as India's ambassador to Saudi Arabia, bringing deep experience in security, policy, and cross-border engagement. Javed Ahmad Saab. Second, Shashi Vyas ji. He's a music producer and founder of Pancham Nishad, dedicated to preserving and reinventing India's classical music heritage. Under his leadership, Pancham Nishad has managed over 400 cultural events featuring 500 plus Indian and international artists and captivating audiences of over 50,000. Dr. Anirudh Kohli, the third jury member, is a stalwart in healthcare and the CEO of Breach Candy Hospital. Ideally, you should not fall ill, but if you do, that's one of the best places to go to. Known for clinical excellence and institution building, he combines medical expertise with strategic management to advance patient care and hospital innovation. And Anand Goenka, who everyone knows, I'm sure, is the executive director of the Indian Express, guiding editorial strategy and digital transformation, and one of India's leading news organizations. He focuses on upholding journalistic integrity while expanding reach across platforms. And the fifth person on the jury, as you can tell by the photograph, was Srimati Bhavna Roy, the founder and director of Himanshu Roy Foundation. And we'll jump straight into the award. The first category that we are presenting an award in is music. Please do see a short video on the awardees.
In Indian classical music, the truest measure of a life's work is not applause or fame. It is what you pass on. A raga is never truly owned. It is received, kept alive, and handed over to the next voice. And in every generation, a few give their lives to that quiet act of keeping it flowing. This evening, the Himanshu Roy Foundation is proud to honor two extraordinary devotions to this music. A home that has taught it for over 85 years and a voice that has carried it forward and made it new. Gandharva Mahavidyalaya and Vidushi Srimati Dr. Ashwini Bhide Deshpande. These are their stories. For over 85 years in the heart of Delhi, Gandharva Mahavidyalaya has done one quite extraordinary thing. It has kept this music alive by teaching it. It began in a single home where the family lived and the classes were taught in the same rooms, and where this music, once available only to a few, was opened to anyone willing to learn. And from here rose generations of musicians, a celebrated choir, and one of the city's oldest festivals. A home that, day after day, has simply kept teaching and kept the music flowing. And where an institution teaches, an artist carries the tradition in her own voice. Vidushi Srimati Ashwini Bhide Deshpande is one of the greatest living voices of the Jaipur Atroli Gharana, trained under her own mother, in a lineage shaped by some of the greatest women ever to sing in India. A scientist who chose the ragas, she did not only inherit this music, she added to it, composing more than 150 works of her own and giving them freely to the world. An art handed down and a voice that gives back. Two devotions, one river. A home that teaches this music and a voice that carried it forward. This evening, the Himanshu Roy Foundation is honored to felicitate Gandharva Mahavidyalaya and Vidushi Dr. Ashwini Bhide Deshpande for lives given to this music and to keeping it alive for everyone who comes after. To the both of them, thank you.
May I request two of our jury members, Shashi Vyas ji and Anand Goenka ji, to come up on stage as Honorable CM Fadnavis ji presents the award to the awardees, Srimati Ashwini Bhide Deshpande ji and Shri Madhu Mudgal ji and Srimati Manisha Mudgal ji from Gandharva Mahavidyalaya. Yeah. Thank you, Shashi ji. Thank you, Anand ji. Thank you. The second category is medicine. Please do see a short video on the awardees.
In the field of medicine and healing, the truest measure of a life's work is this: when someone who could not stand stands again, and when someone gasping for air can take deep breaths again. When a person is given back their life, their dignity, their place in the world. The Himanshu Roy Foundation is proud to honor two esteemed doctors who have served their entire lives to heal the world. Dr. Zarir Udwadia and Dr. Shekhar Bhojraj. 2 lifetimes of medicine, each devoted to people far beyond the clinical walls. These are their stories. In one of Mumbai's busiest clinics, Dr. Zarir Udwadia has devoted his life to the lungs and to tuberculosis, one of medicine's oldest and hardest challenges. When he and his colleagues documented a form of the disease that resisted every drug then tested, their work traveled from a medical journal to the attention of the world, bringing a difficult challenge into the light. And through it all, he has never stopped caring for his patients, giving both science and compassion to those who needed them most. Elsewhere, another life took medicine to where it was needed most. Among the first in India to dedicate himself entirely to the spine, Dr. Shekhar Bhojraj helped shape spine surgery into a field of its own. And he carried that skill far beyond the great hospitals of the city. Through the Spine Foundation, he brought complex spine care to rural and tribal India free of cost, helping people stand, walk, and return to work. In his hands, surgery became an act of dignity. 2 lives, 1 calling, to place the finest of medicine in the service of human dignity. This evening, the Himanshu Roy Foundation is honored to felicitate Dr. Zarir Udwadia and Dr. Shekhar Bhojraj for a lifetime spent in the service of medicine and healing, and for making our world a better, kinder place. To the both of you, thank you so much. It is our pride and our privilege to celebrate you tonight.
May I request the jury member, Dr. Anirudh Kohli, to come up as the CM, Honorable CM presents the award. And if I could request Dr. Zarir Udwadia ji and Dr. Shekhar Bhojraj ji to come up, please. Thank you, sir. And before I speak of the next award, the wonders of technology, I just received a message from Bhavna Didi. Sunil Gavaskar ji, my apologies, Bhavna Didi did not have the RSVP of you, so she didn't recognize you, but thank you so much for coming, sir. And Saurabh Raj Jain ji and Prasanna ji, thank you. The third category that we will be giving an award in is security. Please do see this short video on Shaheed Tukaram Ombde.
Before the night that the country would never forget, there was simply a man, a soldier, a policeman, a son of Maharashtra named Tukaram Gopal Ombde. He was born in a small village in Satara into a farming family that taught him the dignity of honest work. He first served his country as a soldier in the Army's Corps of Signals, and in 1991, he wore a new uniform, joining the Mumbai Police, where he served for 17 years and rose to Assistant Sub-Inspector. For him, duty was never a single act, it was a way of living. On the night of the 26th of November 2008, as Mumbai came under attack, ASI Ombade was on night duty. When the call came, he organized a barricade at Girgaon Chowpatty and waited in the dark. A car arrived, carrying 2 armed men. In the moments that followed, this unarmed officer moved forward, took hold of the barrel of the attacker's rifle with both his hands, and did not let go. His courage held that weapon away from his fellow officers, and it allowed them to do what had seemed impossible, to capture the only attacker alive that night. That was Ajmal Kasab. That single capture gave India undeniable proof of where the attack had come from. One officer's grit and courage helped a nation hold on to the truth. For his unparalleled courage, ASI Tukaram Gopal Ombade was honored with the Ashok Chakra, India's highest peacetime gallantry award, received by his wife Srimati Tarabai Ombade. In their home, in their village, and in the city he served, his family has carried his memory not as a loss, but as a legacy. In his memory, the Himanshu Roy Foundation offers a humble gesture of gratitude to this great son of India in the form of a charity to be given in the name of ASI Tukaram Ombade.
There are few brave souls who save a nation, and even fewer brave souls who change the course of history. As we all know, the attempt by Pakistan was to blame the terror attack on Indians. The very fact that Shahid Tukaram Ombade ji caught Ajmal Kasab alive meant that the course of history changed. He is one of the most important police officials of this century, in my opinion. Loud round of applause for that Shahid. His wife, Srimati Tarabai Tukaram Ombade ji, was supposed to come, but a death in the family has delayed her. So his daughter, Vandana Ombade Patni ji, is here on his behalf to accept the award for the family. If I may request a standing ovation for this amazing family, please. Javed Ahmed Saab, if you could come up, please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Javed Ahmed Saab. He was the jury member from the security side, and for us, Roy Tripathis, he's almost like a family elder. And before I move to the next part of the program, if I may request another message, because we hadn't received the RSVPs, but I was just told, if you can just applaud and acknowledge Somnath ji, former chairman of ISRO, is here. And Sunil Alagh ji, former chairman of Britannia. Thank you so much, sir, for honoring us. Thank you so much, Sunil ji, for honoring us. The Himanshu Roy Foundation has decided to work with NGOs to offer the Himanshu Roy Cancer Test free of cost to the underprivileged. To begin this endeavor, we partnered with Yuva Unstoppable to do this program within Maharashtra itself. Please see a short video on this subject.
Most people remember Himanshu Roy as Mumbai's super cop, the man who cracked some of our nation's toughest cases. But he fought another battle that eventually took him away from us: cancer. With cancer, it's rarely the disease that defeats people, it's late detection. When cancer is found early, everything changes. When it's found late, options shrink, fewer treatments, harder odds, and time you can never get back. Himanshu Roy didn't win the fight, but his family made a choice. they would try to make sure no one else had to lose a loved one the way they did. They turned to science and helped bring a new test into the world. It's called the HRC test, the Himanshu Roy Cancer Test.
I was introduced to HRC test by my colleague and friend. To my surprise, I was diagnosed with ovarian dermoid cyst. Coming to the terms with the diagnosis was not so easy. We were all asymptomatic, leading a perfectly normal life, working every day, and never imagined that something could be silently developing within us. Even as a doctor, I went through the phase of denial, but that is the reality of the disease. It often gives no warning until it is detected. The treatment began right away. Now I am perfectly fine, leading my normal life. If I had waited, I don't know what would have happened to me.
A test can only save lives if it reaches the people who need it most. That takes steady, patient work, the kind Yuva Unstoppable has been doing for years, bringing healthcare and education into villages and delivering HPV vaccines to 9,000 young women. This year, the Himanshu Roy Foundation and Yuva Unstoppable have pledged to deliver 20,000 HRC tests across Maharashtra over the next 2 years. Early detection changes outcomes. It changes lives. Let's beat cancer together. To know more, scan the QR code below.
Honorable CM, sir, we would request if you could felicitate Amitabh Shah of Yuva Unstoppable, who is working with us on this charity program. And if you could also felicitate Rishabh Shah, the chief of Ayman, who you've done a program with, who helped us in organizing this program through his volunteers. Amitabh, Rishabh, please. Thank you. And for the part we've all been waiting for, may I request Honorable CM Fadnavis ji to please grace us with his speech and a few words.
मंच पर उपस्थित श्री मंगल प्रभात लोढ़ा जी, आशीष शेलार जी, आशीष जायसवाल जी, श्रीमती भावना रॉय, श्री अमीश त्रिपाठी जी, आज इन पुरस्कारों के लिए जो जूरी यहाँ पर तैयार हुई थी, उसके जूरी मेंबर्स श्री जावेद अहमद जी, अनंत गोयनका जी, शशि व्यास जी, डॉक्टर अनिरुद्ध कोहली जी, आज के सभी पुरस्कारर्थी और उपस्थित सभी बहनों और भाइयों, हिमांशु रॉय लीगेसी अवार्ड्स 2026 इस बहुत ही हृदयस्पर्शी कार्यक्रम में आज हम सभी लोग उपस्थित हैं और मैं देख रहा हूं कि इस सभागार में समाज के बहुत ही भिन्न भिन्न क्षेत्र से जो सारे महत्वपूर्ण लोग हैं, एकम्प्लिश्ड लोग हैं, वे यहाँ पर आज उपस्थित हैं और एक प्रकार से यह उपस्थिति हिमांशु जी का जो कार्य है और उनके जो समाज में अलग अलग लोगों के साथ आत्मीय संबंध है, उनको परिभाषित करने वाली ये उपस्थिति है। और मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि ये जो कार्यक्रम यहाँ पर हो रहा है, मैं रॉय और त्रिपाठी दोनों परिवारों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि हम लोग ये मानते हैं कि लाइफ एंड वर्क ऑफ accomplished सोल आर नॉट टू बी mourned, दे आर टू बी सेलिब्रेटेड। और आज का ये कार्यक्रम इसी प्रकार का एक अपने आप में सेलिब्रेशन है, क्योंकि मुझे आज भी याद है कि मैं मुख्यमंत्री था और हिमांशु जी मुझे मिलने आए और उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे बहुत ही रेयर टाइप का कैंसर हुआ है जिसमें बहुत कम लोग बचते हैं, लेकिन मैं उससे फाइट करना चाहता हूँ। इसलिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं VRS लूँ, मैं निवृत्ति लूँ। मैंने उनको तब कहा था कि आप फाइटर है, आप इसमें से बाहर निकलेंगे, आपको जितने दिन चाहिए आप उतने दिन की लीव ले लीजिए, या आपको जिस प्रकार से पोस्टिंग चाहिए या और भी कुछ चाहिए तो आप मुझे कहिए। हम लोग निश्चित रूप से जो कार्य आपने पुलिस विभाग में किया है हम उसको अप्रूव करेंगे। हम सभी लोग जानते हैं कि एक लंबी लड़ाई उन्होंने कैंसर के साथ लड़ी, लेकिन ये दुर्दैव था कि उस लड़ाई में वो सफल नहीं हो पाए। लेकिन हम सभी लोग जानते हैं कि एक ऑफिसर के रूप में जिस प्रकार का कार्य उन्होंने किया, विशेष रूप से अंडरवर्ल्ड के साथ लड़ने का काम हो, ट्रेन ब्लास्ट की तफ्तीश हो, ATS के चीफ के रूप में किया हुआ कार्य हो, हर रोल में उन्होंने अपने जो काम है उन कामों को एक न्याय देने का प्रयास किया और एक बहुत ही होनहार ऑफिसर इस प्रकार की अपनी प्रतिमा भी उन्होंने हमारे मुंबई में और महाराष्ट्र में तैयार की, देश में तैयार की। और मैं ये मानता हूं कि ये भी हो सकता था कि शायद उनके जाने के बाद परिवार दुख मनाता और उसके बाद उसी दुख में शायद जिंदगी निकल जाती, लेकिन उनकी पत्नी भावना जी और उनके जो इन-लॉज है त्रिपाठी परिवार, इन्होंने ये तय किया कि हम उनके कार्यों को याद रखने के लिए समाज में जिन्होंने अच्छा कार्य किया है और विशेष रूप से सुरक्षा के क्षेत्र में, चिकित्सा के क्षेत्र में और संगीत के क्षेत्र में उनको हम सम्मानित करेंगे। और साथ साथ इससे बड़ा मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि इससे बड़ी श्रद्धांजलि और क्या हो सकती है कि कैंसर के अर्ली डिटेक्शन के लिए हिमांशु रॉय किट निर्मित की गई। एक अनुसंधान के तहत एक बहुत ही सरलता के साथ किसी भी व्यक्ति को कैंसर का अर्ली डिटेक्शन और उसके माध्यम से कैंसर की रोकथाम हो पाए, क्योंकि हम सभी लोग जानते हैं कि कैंसर में आज चिकित्सा पद्धति इतनी आगे बढ़ी है कि अगर अर्ली डिटेक्शन हो जाए तो निश्चित रूप से कैंसर ठीक होता है। और उसकी तरफ ये जो हिमांशु रॉय कैंसर किट जो तैयार हुई, ये मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि एक बहुत बड़ी श्रद्धांजलि और एक उनके जीवन से इंस्पिरेशन लेकर और समाज को समर्पण के रूप में इस किट को तैयार किया गया। और मैं आपका इसलिए भी आभार व्यक्त करता हूं कि आपने ये तय किया है कि 20,000 लोगों को महाराष्ट्र में इस किट के माध्यम से लाभ मिलेगा। मैं सरकार की ओर से भी आपको आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं कि हम लोगों ने भी कैंसर के खिलाफ एक बहुत बड़ी लड़ाई शुरू की है। जिस प्रकार से कैंसर का प्रादुर्भाव बढ़ रहा है, उसके चलते एक बहुत बड़ी स्ट्रैटेजी हमने तैयार की है और हम लोग ये चाहेंगे कि उसी स्ट्रैटेजी का एक पार्ट, एक भाग इस रूप में हम लोग आपके साथ मिलकर काम करेंगे। ये युवा फाउंडेशन है, उसके साथ भी मिलकर हम लोग काम करेंगे और कैंसर जैसी बीमारी पर जल्द से जल्द इसमें डिटेक्शन हो और लोगों को स्वास्थ्य लाभ हो, इस प्रकार का भी प्रयास हम लोग करेंगे। आज हमने जो पुरस्कार दिए हैं वो भी मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि हमारी जूरी को बहुत धन्यवाद मैं देना चाहता हूं। बेस्ट अमंग्स द बेस्ट, इस प्रकार के पुरस्कार चुने गए हैं। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद ही इससे अच्छा चुनाव कोई हो सकता था, क्योंकि हिमांशु जी की तो जिंदगी सिक्योरिटी से संबंधित मामलों में ही गई है और इस कैटेगरी में तुकाराम उमड़े जी के परिवार को सम्मानित करना, मैं तो ऐसा मानता हूं कि इस सम्मान से इस अवार्ड का भी सम्मान बढ़ा है और ये अवार्ड देने का अवसर जो मुझे मिला, मैं भी अपने आप को गौरवान्वित मानता हूं कि मुझे ये अवसर मिला। क्योंकि हम सब लोग जानते हैं कि जिस प्रकार से एक लाठी लेकर हमारे तुकाराम उमड़े जी ने उस गाड़ी को रोका और बंदूक की गोलियां चलती रही, लेकिन उन्होंने बंदूक छोड़ी नहीं। वे खुद उसमें शहीद हुए, लेकिन कसाब को हम लोग केवल तुकाराम उमड़े जी के कारण ही पकड़ पाए और ये जो नापाक साजिश थी, अगर कसाब जिंदा नहीं मिलता तो शायद इस नापाक साजिश को दुनिया के सामने और उसके कर्ता देश को दुनिया के सामने हम उसका नकाब नहीं उतार पाते। इसलिए मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि अमित जी ने जो बात कही कि पुलिस ऑफिसर ऑफ अ सेंचुरी, इस प्रकार से हम लोग हमेशा तुकाराम उमड़े जी को याद रखेंगे। चिकित्सा के क्षेत्र में डॉक्टर जरीर उड़वाड़िया और डॉक्टर शेखर भोजराज, मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि मुंबई और देश में चिकित्सा के क्षेत्र में इनको जानता न हो ऐसा कोई नहीं है। इन्होंने हमारे मुंबई का और महाराष्ट्र का नाम बहुत ऊंचा किया है और हम सब लोग हमेशा ये कहते हैं कि वन शुड शो द स्पाइन। रीढ़ की हड्डी का हमारे जीवन में बहुत महत्व है, चाहे वो शरीर में हो चाहे हमारे व्यक्तित्व में हो। और उस रीढ़ की हड्डी में जब भी कोई बीमारी खड़ी होती है, प्रॉब्लम खड़ा होता है, तो एक ही नाम याद आता है, वो डॉक्टर भोजराज जी का नाम याद आता है। और जिस प्रकार से उन्होंने अनेकों लोगों को रीढ़ की हड्डी वापस की है और इस प्रकार के अलग अलग जो बीमारियां हैं उनमें उन्होंने जिस प्रकार से अनुसंधान भी किया है, जिस प्रकार से लोगों को ट्रीट भी किया है, मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि आज उनका सम्मान होना ये बहुत ही हम सभी के लिए बहुत हर्ष की बात है। और डॉक्टर उड़वाड़िया, जैसा हम सब लोग जानते हैं कि पल्मोनोलॉजिस्ट के रूप में जब भी लंग की बात होती है या टीबी की बात होती है, तो मुंबई में ही नहीं पूरे देश में दूर दूर से लोग डॉक्टर उड़वाड़िया के लिए यहाँ पर आते हैं। और इसलिए चिकित्सा के क्षेत्र में मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि जिन्होंने बहुत लोगों को स्वास्थ्य दिया है और जिन्होंने नए आयाम इस क्षेत्र में शुरू किए हैं, ऐसे हमारे इन दोनों डॉक्टर्स का सम्मान इन अवार्ड्स के माध्यम से जो जूरी ने उनको सिलेक्ट किया, मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि बहुत ही एक महत्वपूर्ण इस प्रकार का ये कार्य हुआ है। और विशेष रूप से म्यूज़िक के क्षेत्र में, चूँकि हिमांशु जी को म्यूज़िक में, रागों में बहुत दिलचस्पी थी, श्रीमती अश्विनी भिड़े देशपांडे जिन्होंने अपनी माताजी से इस विधा को सीखा और आज देश में एक ऐसा नाम है जिसने शास्त्रीय संगीत को न केवल हम तक पहुंचाया बल्कि बहुतों तक उन्होंने इस विधा को उनको सिखाकर, उन तक पहुंचाकर और शास्त्रीय संगीत की बहुत बड़ी सेवा की है। वैसे हम सब लोग जानते भी होंगे या नहीं भी जानते होंगे कि वे एक साइंटिस्ट हैं। बीएआरसी में उन्होंने बहुत महत्वपूर्ण कार्य किया है, लेकिन जैसे वहाँ साइंटिस्ट है वैसे शास्त्रीय संगीत में भी बहुत अनुसंधान उन्होंने किया है और उनको 2025 में भारत सरकार ने पद्मश्री अवार्ड भी दिया है। और साथ साथ गंधर्व महाविद्यालय, जिन्होंने जिस किसी को संगीत में रुचि है ऐसे हर व्यक्ति को एक अवसर दिया है, उसको ट्रेनिंग दी है और निश्चित रूप से आज संगीत के क्षेत्र में एक बहुत ही जाना माना नाम इस रूप में गंधर्व महाविद्यालय को देखा जाता है। इसलिए ये जो संगीत के क्षेत्र में भी आपने अवार्ड के लिए जिनको चुना है, मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि वो निश्चित रूप से संगीत के क्षेत्र को परिभाषित करने वाले ऐसे सारे व्यक्ति हैं। आज इन अवार्ड्स के माध्यम से हम फिर एक बार हिमांशु जी को याद कर रहे हैं और मेरा विश्वास है कि ये जो एक बहुत ही अच्छी परिपाटी आपने शुरू की है, ये ऐसे ही चलती रहेगी और लगातार आपके कार्यों के माध्यम से, हिमांशु रॉय फाउंडेशन के माध्यम से, लीगेसी अवार्ड्स के माध्यम से, हिमांशु रॉय कैंसर किट के माध्यम से समाज की सेवा और समाज में जिन्होंने अच्छा कार्य किया है उनका सेलिब्रेशन हम करते रहेंगे, ये विश्वास मैं व्यक्त करता हूं। आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं और इस अच्छे कार्य के लिए आपने हम सभी को निमंत्रित किया, इसलिए आपका आभार व्यक्त करते हुए मैं अपने शब्दों को विराम देता हूं। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र।
Thank you so much, Honorable CM. I'd like to start, of course, the vote of thanks by thanking you, sir. You've made this day so special for us. This is Himanshu Da's birthday, and we didn't think of a louder happy birthday that we could have sung. Thank you so much. Honorable Minister Mangal Prabhat Lodha ji, Honorable Minister Ashish Shelar ji, Honorable Minister Ashish Jaiswal ji, thank you so much, sir, for honoring the Roy Tripathi family and coming here. The YB Chavan Auditorium staff who've been wonderful, Yuva Unstoppable, our NGO partner, Ayman, our NGO partner, the staff of the Himanshu Roy Foundation, but most importantly, if I can thank all of you, the audience, I recognize, the lights are a little better, I recognize many names here. There are billionaire industrialists, there are top actors, there are senior IPS, IS officers, and I know, and some of the RSVPs we hadn't got, and I know if we failed in showing you the respect an honor that we should have shown where you're sitting, etc. Please, humble apologies from the Roy Tripathi family. All of you, I see many of the top people on top as well. Thank you so much for coming. And our apologies if we failed in any way. But we are so, so grateful for showing your support for the Himanshu Roy Legacy Awards. Thank you. Thank you. And with this, we bring an end to the program.